The LG E20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto E7 for straight talk. So the Moto E7 is now at straight talk. It's also known as the Moto E2020. So yeah. So this is a nice little phone. The model number is XT2052DL. So yeah, this is the Moto E7 2020. So really nice phone, pretty decent specs for what it is. So this is a budget phone, so do keep that in mind. So this is what the phone looks like. Y'all guys will have your teardrop notch for your front facing camera, your screen there, your gestures right down there, your clock, which is a nice looking clock. Power and your RAM cage will be on the right side of the phone. There's the right side of the phone there, power and your RAM keys. So pretty nice. And then on the back of the Moto E7, you guys will have two cameras, camera first, fingerprint sensor, and your tripod over there on the back. So yeah. So the Moto E7 is 4G LTE, of course, so pretty good. 6.2-inch HD plus max vision display. That is a 720p display. Dual cameras in the back at 13 megapixels and a 2 megapixel depth sensor on the rear. 17 hours of talk time, 2 GB of RAM. Your dimensions on the Moto E7 are 6.29 inches height, 3.2 inches width, and 0.34 inches depth. It's available now for $99.99. So like I said, this is a budget smartphone, so do keep that in mind, alright? So it says here, twice the camera, double the power. Moto E7 uses a 13 megapixel dual camera system, so you can easily add effects to portraits, plus enjoy an ultra-wide screen responsive performance and a long-lasting battery, more camera, more power, more phone, the new Moto E. Okay, so specs on that are decent. Like I said, this is a budget smartphone, so they keep that in mind. So once again, your dimensions on the Moto E7 are 6.29 inches height, 3.2 inches width, and 0.34 inches depth. The Moto E7 weighs 6.39 ounces. You will have a 3550 mAh battery. I think the battery is embedded in the phone. 17 hours of talk time, 17 days of standby time, 4G LTE Wi-Fi connectivity, of course. I think this runs off the Verizon network, Verizon network on this. So what you guys get in the box is the Moto E7, the charger, the battery, which is embedded in the phone, I believe, activation card, service guide, and quick start guide there. And of course, like it is on Straight Talk phones, they do have to mention this. Says a service plan is required for activation. Plans are not returnable or refundable. Transfer was the app available to move stuff from your old phone to your new phone. Text in TXT2052DL to 611 for more tutorials. So yeah, it has Android 10 on there. Pretty good. 2 GB of RAM, 32 GB of built-in storage with micro SD card expansion up to 512 gigabytes. 13 megapixel dual camera system. Take sharp photos and get great results even in less than perfect light. Up to 2 days battery power to today and into tomorrow on just a single charge, but it also depends on your usage as well. If you guys are a heavy user, you guys will get less than that, so make sure you go. Display is 6.2 inches HD plus max vision display, ultra wide screen that stretches from edge to edge with a 19:9 aspect ratio. That is a 720p display. I think it's 720 by 1560 pixels or something like that. So not bad. So this is a budget smartphone, so do keep it in mind. So if you guys are looking for a backup phone or whatever, the Moto E7 does look very nice, especially now pretty decent. It's available now for $99.99. So do you guys have it? The Moto E7 or Moto E2020 is now available at Straight Talk. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video. and I will catch you guys on this one. Peace out.